In the name of God, the person the study was conducted the implementation of urban agriculture plan green garden in Razi University of Kermanshah in Iran, and investigated the effects of the urban agriculture and sustainable development. Therefore, it will provide the conditions for strengthening social interaction and economical and environmental, as well as will pave the way for culture building commensurate with the development of urban agriculture, and the results obtained from it can be used in process of planning and macro agriculture policies in the different places. Food production in cities through urban agriculture can be considered in the nature-based solution in recent years, which is an important response to climate change and other urban challenges, and more importantly to fight the epidemic COVID-19. The Green Garden project was implemented as one of the urban agriculture projects within area of 6,000 square meters in Razi University. This project has 150 plots within an area of 50 square meters, which has been assigned to 150 families of university employees. The implementation of this plan with a coefficient of 0.5 to 1 at the level of 99% confidence has a positive and significant effect on the social capital of stakeholders. One of the important and key effects of urban agriculture is on social networks, relationship and interactions, which can be referred to as social capital. Another effect is an environmental issue that can provide solutions to a healthy life and nutrient and waste management. The purpose of implementing the Green Garden project in Razi University was to achieve two goals of sustainable development in the critical conditions of society. According to the results, this project has been able to achieve its goals to a large extent.